Namaskar. Hello everybody, this is Dr. Pramila Sanjay. I am the Honorary Advisor and Consultant for the Program for Women Empowerment at CDAT. CDAT is an organization working at the grassroots with the Women for Women Empowerment, and now we are also working with women in the villages so that they understand their rights, the right to information and right to education. Right today we are standing here in a village panchayat Nevta with a couple of women, almost 30-35 of them. Most of them are illiterate and they belong to the poor section of the society. Many of them are from the Bairwa community, they are SC/STs, and there are some others who did not get the opportunity to go to the regular school education system. But I really see their keen interest, and I also see their involvement in the process of getting more knowledge and skills. We have been working in various parts of Sanganer Panchayat in Jaipur district in Rajasthan. 152 villages are there. It consists of a 3-tier system at the district, at the block Panchayat of Sanganer, and also then thereafter at the village cluster of villages. So this cluster of villages, one of the cluster is Nevta, where we are standing now. Here we have 4 volunteers. These volunteers are those village women and young girls who wanted to contribute to their society and to their community, especially for the upliftment of their women folks there. For this, we do not always call seminars and meetings at Jaipur, but we come to the doorstep of the women here and we organize training meetings and seminars at the panchayats, in the schools, and at common neutral places, so that women from all the communities, various caste levels, culture, creeds and society can come and collect together and work with us on various issues that we take up. We take up issues relevant to them for social development, related to their information structure and system, related to strengthening their getting the services that are being delivered by the government, for them to know various government programs, pension schemes, and also for them to become more and more empowered. They learn how to introduce themselves. They also learn how to stand up and talk to the crowd. They get more confidence so that they can go and talk to the sarpanch or the elected representative. They can go to the government offices, etc., etc. We also organize their exposure trips to different places, because I personally believe that as you move out of your surroundings and your places, you get more confidence, knowledge, and you acquire that as you move along. Another interesting aspect of our working in various panchayats in Sanganer over a period of time has been that the village volunteers in other parts of the villages where we were working earlier are now today working as trainees with us, trainers with us. Mamta Bairwa and Meera ji are today here as trainers in this particular training seminar on right to information and right to education that we are conducting now with the support of Hensaidal Foundation at Jaipur. You would have seen for yourself in the video, or would see how hesitant they are to get up and to talk. Initially to collect them and to put them together, get them together in a group, so that they are not in their regular day-to-day household chores. Convince the people in their households has been the work of our volunteers and the CDAT team. After a lot of effort, we have been able to organize a few seminars in the last 1 month over here. And I'm sure when you meet them after 2 to 3 years, they will be very powerful, they will be very confident, they will be able to place their presentation and say what they really want, as well as participate in the decision making at the village level, at the panchayat level, at their household level. And they will have a say in the way the society develops. Thank you very much.